Hello everyone. In this video, we will see some text functions: concatenate, left, right, and mid, len, upper, lower, and proper. These all are the text functions. We will see one by one. The first one, concatenate. By using this formula, we can join two or more text string into one. Let's see this into the sheet 2. Here I will type some text: Ashok Kumar Rajan. Here I am going to, here you can see all the text available in different cells. Okay, so now we are going to merge all these text into single cell. For that we can use concatenate formula. Put equal concatenate, open bracket. Here you can see, select the text. I am going to select the text 1. I am going to select Ashok, comma, and then text 2, comma, and then text 3, and then we can select n number of text. As of now, here we have only 3 text, so we can end here. Okay, so after the third text, put closed bracket and then enter. Here you can see Ashok Kumar Rajan we merged into single cell. So this is how we should use concatenate formula. Also, you can do it one more way. Here there is no space between Ashok Kumar and then Kumar Rajan, correct? If you need space in between this text, so we have one more way. So instead of text, we have to follow another way. Instead of text, I am going to put and symbol and then double quotes, space, double quotes, and symbol, and then I am going to remove the comma. Same here also, put and symbol, double quotes, space, double quotes, and symbol, and then remove comma and then enter. So now you can see, so between Ashok and Kumar there is a space, between Kumar and Rajan there is a space. So this is how we should put space in between the text. Now we'll see the next formula: left, right, mid. By using this formula we can extract characters from a text string. Okay, we'll try this one. So we can use already the we used concatenate formula, correct? So the text we can use for the another formula: left, right, and mid. So in this text it's available with the formula. We can convert formula to text. Just a right click, copy. I'm going to paste it here. Before, just right click, here you can see paste special option, click that one, and then values, click values, and then give OK. Here you can see there is no formula. So before using any text, we have to remove the formula. So that only, after that only we can put another formula. Now we will see left, put equal left, open bracket. Here you can see it asking the text. We need to select the text, comma, number of characters. Left side is Ashok. In that Ashok text, how many characters we need? So the function is asking the characters. I am going to give 5 because I need Ashok. 5, closed bracket, enter. Here we can see Ashok, it comes. So this is how we should use the left function. Now I am going to use the right function. I have deleted that existing formula. I'm going to put equal, type right, open bracket, we have to select the text, comma, as usual, number of characters we have to select. So on the right side, I need Rajan. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 characters we need. So I am going to give 5, close bracket, enter. So here you can see Rajan. So the end Rajan, the right side text we can extract by using the right formula. So right we have, so far we have seen left, right. Now we are going to see the mid. This is also same. I'm going to remove this one. Let's try mid, put equal, type mid, open bracket. Here we have to select the text, comma, start number. So where we need to extract. So here I am going to type 7 because of I need K. You can count Ashok 5 letters, space 6, and the seventh letter is K. So I am going to give 7, comma, from there how many numbers we need. Okay, so I need 5, KUMER, 5 characters. So I am going to give 5 and then close the bracket, enter. You can see we extract the Kumar. So this is how we should use mid. For mid formula we need to give one more characters. You can see here again I will try the mid formula. If anyone confused, you will be clarified. Okay, so as usual, put equal, type mid, open bracket. We need to select the text, entire text, comma, the starting number we need. So number, we have to convert this text into number. How many numbers are these characters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Total 17 numbers. So here the starting number the function is asking. So if we need Rajan, now it's going to be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I am going to give 13 because I need Rajan. 13, comma. From there, how many numbers we have to, how many characters we need to extract. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters. I am going to give 5, close bracket, enter. Here we can see Rajan. So this is how we can use the mid functions. Let's try another formula. Here the next one is len. So by using this formula, length of the text we can get it. Okay, let's try len. I will remove everything here. So I'm going to keep Ashok Kumar Rajan. Now let's find out how many characters available in this text. Put as usual, put equal. It is very simple formula. Put equal, type LEN, open bracket. Just a single text we have to select and close the bracket, enter. See 17. So while using the mid formula we have counted the total characters is 17. So it is, this one is a simple formula. So this is how we should use the length formula. Now let's try the another one. The last three formulas, upper, lower, proper. By using these functions we can convert text to uppercase, lowercase or proper case. Okay, let's try. Here I am going to remove this length formula. Also I am going to remove 17. Let's try upper. Just put equal, type upper, open bracket, select the text, closed bracket, enter. Now you can see the Ashok Kumar Rajan. Here you can see it is lowercase. Now we have converted into the uppercase by using the upper functions. Let's try lower functions. I'm going to use this existing. We have converted the uppercase text, correct? So I'm going to use this text, copy, paste special values. Okay. So now you can see it is the upper case text. Now I am going to convert into lower. Put equal lower, open bracket, select the entire text, closed bracket, enter. So now we have converted from upper to lower. Okay, so this is how we should use upper and lower case functions. Now one more formula is there, proper. I'm going to remove all these and I am going to remove Kumar and Rajan. Here we have Ashok. Also, all the characters are lower. Okay. So whenever we are going, we will start the name. We used to the first letter should be uppercase. Correct. So that's a proper format. So for that we can use proper function. Put equal, type proper, open bracket, select the text, closed bracket, enter. Now you can see here the A converted into uppercase, the rest of the characters are lowercase. So this is how we should use the proper case. Let's let's see. Here are all these eight text functions we have converted, we have worked, and it all comes very good. Hope you all understand this formula. All this formula we can use in some text conditions. Thank you for watching. If you need more videos like this, please put it in the comments below and don't forget to share, subscribe and like the video.